Hi, I'm Ruma Sharma. So, as you know, that I'm here at the Silly store for the newly launched product of Silly Advanced Posture in three different range, three different models. Silly is known for their comfort mattresses, and as you all know, that we have a very busy schedule. Everyone nowadays, we all are running here and there for work and everything. In this busy schedule, we just forget to take care of our sleep, which is important, because if we have a good sleep, we have a good schedule ahead, no cranky moods, good happy moods. So I think Silly gives you that comfortable sleep, which is very very important nowadays. Because if we don't take a good proper sleep, which is required, our mind will not that work to have that creative field during our work schedule. So I think Silly is the perfect example for the perfect good comfortable sleep and the mattresses.
సార్ హైదరాబాద్ చాలా లగ్జరీస్గా ఉండడానికి ట్రై చేస్తుంటారు అండ్ ఉంటారు కూడా. హైదరాబాద్ అంటే నాబ్స్. సో అలాంటిది ఈ సిలీ దీని కాస్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అండ్ ఏంటి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి?
మనకి కింగ్ సైజ్ వచ్చేసి 55,000 నుంచి 11 lakhs దాకా ఉన్నాయండి. దీనిలో స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటంటే డీప్ స్లీప్ అనేది ఏం లేదు. లైక్ మీకు ఎంత డీప్ స్లీప్ కావాలి అనేది డిఫరెంట్ కంఫర్ట్ జోన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు మీకు టైట్ షర్ట్ ఉంటుంది, నాకు లూజ్ షర్ట్ అవసరం ఉంటుంది. అది ఒక్కొక్క ఇండివిజువల్ కంఫర్ట్ జోన్ బట్టి ఉంటుంది. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే లైక్ సపోర్ట్ ఈజ్ విచ్ ఈస్ వెరీ మచ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆ సపోర్ట్ అనేది మా 55,000 తీసుకున్నా 11 lakhs తీసుకున్నా కానీ ఆ సపోర్ట్ ఉంటుంది. సో దానివల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే వాళ్ళకి డీప్ స్లీప్ అనేది వస్తుంది. దాంతోపాటు మేము లగ్జరియస్ అనేది యాడ్ చేస్తాం. దానివల్ల ప్రైస్ రేంజ్ అనేది 11 lakhs దాకా ఉన్నాయి మన దగ్గర కింగ్ సైజ్.
Not only in Telangana, Sealy actually is a globally renowned brand from 40 years legacy brand, and globally it has a presence. And Sealy's presence now only other than Telangana, we are present across India like Bangalore, Delhi, NCR, Chennai, Mumbai, and other places we are upcoming. So definitely we have a very aggressive expansion plan. So marketing is also going to be very aggressively, and we have a presence in the social media, and we are planning more 360-degree marketing across Telangana as well as the other cities. And because we want that brand to be known each and every person across the India, because sleep, which is less aware now, like how to take care of, and the quality sleep is most important each and everyone's life. And Sealy's which is his uniqueness is that the technology which is not there with any other brand, and is a patented technology, and we are associated with international orthopedic advisory board, which is like our R&D team. So all our products, like without a quality test, not go out to the market. So this brand when has a huge range, more than 20 products. So people should know that the best sleep for them is Sealy. So definitely we are having a good marketing plan to make everyone knows about Sealy.
Now what is your statement for comfort?
I think it is all about the sleep. If you have that comfortable sleep, your whole schedule is fixed for the good perfect creativity feel when you open up your mind and everything. And comfort is, of course, I believe comfort is equal to the sleep, and sleep is equal to those sleep mattresses, I feel.
Thank you.
Thank you.